is Aleeza Nadeem, and now we're back with our 12th video of the exercise, and here's my mother. So today in this video I will try some new and exciting exercises that I hope that you guys will love them. So the first exercise is that you have to hold your hands together like this, and you have to stretch in this position first. The right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now on the left hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now on the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So over here the first exercise has been completed. So now we're moving towards the second exercise. I use a mat because I have to lay down, and you have to sit on the floor. So the second exercise is that you have to sit like this in this position. Yes.
Like this.
Like this. Okay. So in this position you have to sit and you have to move your body like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now to the other hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is very good exercise for this part of your body. And so now we have to get up. So over here the second exercise has been completed. So now we'll move towards the third exercise. And the third exercise is that you have to bring your right hand forward and you have to grip it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This way your hand should be stretched and straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we'll do the same thing with our left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I will tell you some self-defense techniques because I always tell you in every of my video that now I will tell. So let's get started with the self-defense. So now let's get started with the self-defense technique. Is this: if somebody have grabbed you like both of your hands to your neck. So in this way, both of your hands are busy on holding the neck and your hands are totally free. So what you have to do, you have to pinch inside your eyes. So this way his or her hand will get loosened and his hand will get rid of. So now we'll move to the other self-defense technique. Is that if somebody have grabbed you with the wrist like this. So in this way you have to make a V shape and get rid of. Because if you're making a V shape, so he'll get a pressure on his nerve. So that's why his hand or her hand will get rid of. And if with a right hand, so like this. And you get a pressure and the hand will get rid of. So now we'll move to towards other exercises. So my mother will now go and I will continue with the further exercises. So in the fifth exercise, what you have to do, you have to grip your right leg and you have to go down. And you have to touch the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we have to do the same thing with our left leg and you have to grip and we have to touch the floor like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we'll move towards the sixth exercise. So the sixth exercise was that you have to bring your hands like this and you have to fold the right leg and you have to make a balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the sixth exercise has been completed. So now we'll move towards the seventh exercise. So the seventh exercise is that you have to move your first you have to grip your hand like this and move your body like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now we're moving towards the eighth exercise. That is the last exercise. So the last exercise is that you have to move your hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So over here all the exercises has been completed. So that's it, and that's enough for today. And thank you guys for watching. Give this video and all my previous video maximum on the likes. And thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.